Pak Pending sekoin. Woi.
Get it.
Come here.
Oh my god.
Two black guys who are having a hard time.
Gary! What's cosa devo dire?
You seen Benny's new eyebrows? They're horrible. He's right behind me, isn't he?
Hey.
Nestle Crunch.
Okay.
You okay?
Oh my god. Oh no. Uh-oh. Okay.
Vậy bạn ơi.
She will solve anything.
Does anybody else dog sleep like this?
ขอจับหน่อยได้ไหม Okay.
How you doing, bro? Pak Pending sekoin. Woi.
Get it.
Come here.
Oh my god.
Two black guys who are having a hard time.
Gary! Questa cosa devo dire?
You seen Benny's new eyebrows? They're horrible. He's right behind me, isn't he?
Hey.
Nestle Crunch.
Okay.
You okay?
gonna be hot.
Ai, Zima, dois beijinhos, beijinho, 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 beijinho.
Yeah, being. Am I walking you or you walking me? Oh, I'm walking you. Okay.
I tried to bribe him, but this cat knew what was coming and he was prepared for war.
Good cat.
He has a precisely calculated battle method. Pretend to be calm and laid back, and then take me by surprise. His name is Riesling, and he's a 2-year-old British Longhair. What is it with the British cats and their attitude? Riesling is covered in mats, which is the reason why he's here today.
Don't hiss at me.
Even though he doesn't like this, it's necessary to get done for his comfort and his health. Still, his facial expressions suggest that he would like to turn my face into his scratch post.
I'm making you feel better. It's okay. There. It's all out.
He had some extremely bad matting behind his ears, and I was genuinely concerned that I was not going to be able to get it out. But despite his looks of death, he actually was very good for this, and I was able to relieve him from his pain. I learned pretty quickly that he's okay with anything in his front end being touched. He is just not okay with his back end being touched. And I guess I can't say I blame him.
Good cat. But I have to scrub your dirty behind.
It wasn't long before Pippi Longstocking decided to get his vengeance.
Please don't swat. Made a run for it.
Riesling was smart enough not to let me know his next move. For obvious reasons, we blow-dried him in the rage cage.
Okay, relax. You're okay. Are you peeing? Oh. What just fell on my shoe?
Since I removed all of his matting and got him clean, I decided to end the grooming session today because Riesling was clearly very stressed out. Now, if you'll excuse me, I need a glass of wine.
Yeah, go outside. No, hold on. Meow. Threatens. Oh, God.
Pescotapa. Tá maluca? Vou falar pra minha mãe quando é.
Essa conta chegou no seu nome e...
Oh no. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay. Okay. Fire. Steven! I thought you were dead!
This is not safe.
Shit. Think that us. What the hell are you doing?
Are we ready?
Nope.
We're going up there.